Hi everyone, Mark here with you from iMotor Bank, and I'm here to show you this 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. We just got this car in, and I'm gonna do a walk around with you, show you the car, let you know everything about it. It does have some cosmetic apologies, as you can see. I've just driven the car. The car drives beautiful. It's practically like new. Got only 23,000 miles. Brakes are like new. Tires are perfect. And as I said, you'll see a few little cosmetic apologies. Nothing out of the ordinary. This car is really well equipped with leather, sunroof, push to start, and I'm gonna go through most of these features together. So as long as the key is with you, all you have to do is hold the brakes, push the start button, and here you go. Voila! Car starts. It does have AM, FM, and satellite radio, phone connection, Bluetooth, or through USB or auxiliary right here. You put the car in reverse, back up, kicks right in. Sunroof, you can see it is leather, equipped with heated seats as well. You can see it right here. You have audio volume control, Bluetooth control on the steering wheel on both sides. And at the meantime, let's take it out for a test drive and see how it drives together. Here we go. See the acceleration right here, and braking. Great acceleration, great braking. Wipers work, windshield fluid works. All four windows work. If you have any more questions about this car, or if you'd like to test drive this vehicle, give us a call at 617-538-2099. Again, 617-538-2099. Thank you.